In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a resume on your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, I go to linkedin.com. Then this is my account. Now I'm going to just profile, then settings and privacy. Just click this icon, then again go to data privacy. Just click this icon, then scroll down. Then you can see job seeking preference. Just click on job applications setting. Then we see here the two resume already uploaded here, so I want to upload new one. So just click this PDF resume, then open. Now this turn this on this file. Wow, my resume are successfully added on LinkedIn. Because apply new job, then this resume when I select show on my profile. So what type of video you want to, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.